Glasses, glasses for sale, glasses. Oh, would you like it, glasses? I like. So how much is it? It's $5 and it's for sale. Okay, so let me see. I want this blue one with the flowers. So how much is this? All of it is $5. Okay, here you go. Ching. Thanks. You're welcome. Glasses, glasses for sale. Glasses, glasses, glasses. Oh, is this glasses for sale? So how much is one of it? It's only for $5. Let me see. I want these green ones. So here's your $5. Bye. Thanks. You're welcome. Glasses, glasses. Now I only have one left. Glasses, glasses. After 10 minutes. Glasses. One last glass for sale is here. Glasses. 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 For sale. Last glasses are here. Glasses. I think nobody's gonna buy these now because it's too much big for them. Let me try if I fit it. This really fits on me. Okay, so yeah, I guess I'm done.